Secret Ingredient Cooking. This is episode 13. It's a lucky one, I think, because we're going to do something kind of different. We're blending a few cultures here. We have something today we're doing called street bratcos. Street bratcos, where we're putting together brats. We have the special onion mustard that we did in episode 12. We got the ingredients here. Little celery salt will go in that. You can never go wrong if you're in Chicago with some celery salt. Of course, some tomatoes, some onion, cilantro, and tzatziki. Yes, that's the little difference that'll be going on our street tacos. But you know, there's one thing that makes this channel a little different than some of the other ones, which is that we're a music channel too. So I have written a song about Bratcos, because it's my hope that a certain day of the week that is now Taco Tuesday, at least every now and then might become Bratco Tuesday. Let's see how that might work. We're all different, that's how we're all the same. Like food for our tummies never far from our brain. All those differences get overcome on that one day of the week that's built for fun. Chips and salsa start us off right. Then come Bratcos to everyone's delight. Some go hard, some go soft. Brats make the dish. Cilantro on top, put doubly delish. Try it, that's my wish. Street Bratco Tuesday, smile on my face. Street Bratco Tuesday, how I love that taste. A little tortilla of amazing grace. You got Bratcos Tuesday, then I'm coming to your place. Wednesdays at Camel, one hump or two. Thursdays don't have much good to do. Friday gets set free. Saturday party. Sunday is rest and recovery. Everyone knows that Monday's blue. There's joy in Tuesday, how it's true. Street Bratco Tuesday, smile on my face. Bratco Tuesday, how I love that taste. A little tortilla of amazing grace. You got Bratco Tuesday, then I'm coming to your place. Countdown, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday. What day? What day? It's Street Bratco, 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 Bratco Tuesday. Oh, Bratco Tuesday, smile on my face. Bratco Tuesday, how I love that taste. A little tortilla of amazing grace. You got Bratco Tuesday, then I'm coming to your place. You got Bratco Tuesday, I'm coming to your place. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, let's get back to this thing where we're actually going to put these together so you see what they look like. Here we go. Up, we're going to put a little heat on these sweet Hawaiian street tacos. Warm them up a bit.
What day? What day? It's Taco, 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 Taco Tuesday.
We've warmed up a few street tacos here. We're gonna first take a little splash of the sweet honey onion mustard that we used in episode 12 about how to make that. I had the walkout, so that's what I'm grilling these brats up in. Hey, please don't walk out in this video. Okay, now that we've fried these up, we are going to slice them. There are some options here. You remember in episode 0 we talked about particle size. So maybe you like smaller particle size and you want to cut them this way, one way. You could, I will just move this out of the way, you could just do a straight slice this way. That's an option. Or you could just maybe do them in halves, right? Slightly bigger. These are up to you, personal preference. I'm going to now add some of these chopped up brats. It'd be great if we could have grilled them outside, but we happen to have snow on the ground here, so that didn't happen today. Add a few tomatoes, touch more onion. We're gonna now put some of that tzatziki on. I like to go a little heavy on that. And then a little splash of the cilantro. There is a street bratco. We'll make another one. I always like to give you some options. So here's another option. We're going to start everything the same. Okay, everything's the same up to this point. And we're going to add the tomatoes. We will add a little touch of the onion. And we got the cilantro. Here's the tzatziki. We're putting that on nicely. Now some people might like to add a little lettuce. So this is an option for you. Maybe you're someone who likes a little extra green on the top of your bratco. Now if you want the real Chicago experience, put a few dashes of celery salt on there too at the end. There you go. One last thing about cilantro, I was going to say, not everyone knows this, but you know how quickly it degrades, but this is a nice trick here. If you get it, put it in about, I don't know, 1.5 inches, 2 inches of water, and then you bring it home, usually in one of these nice plastic bags. You put that back on, stick that back in the fridge, and it's good for well over a week. You know, you might want to change the water every few days. There's street bratcos. The one thing that we're going to post-add now, we didn't add it earlier, but we're going to post-add the secret ingredient, the love. It goes in every recipe on this channel. So I hope to hear from some of you in the comments about what you have to say about street bratcos. Let me know if the fam is digging that.
I'm coming to your place.